Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook Mongolian beef. We will begin by gathering our ingredients, ensuring we have fresh flank steak, plenty of garlic, ginger, and green onions. The sauce components like soy sauce, brown sugar, and cornstarch are also essential. Prepping all these items beforehand makes the entire cooking experience much smoother and more enjoyable, allowing you to focus on the technique. This simple preparation sets you up for success. Achieving tender Mongolian beef starts with how you prepare the flank steak. First, slice the beef very thinly, cutting against the grain to ensure maximum tenderness. Next, tenderize it by tossing the slices with about 1/4 cup of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil. This coating will protect the beef, helping it become wonderfully crisp on the outside and incredibly tender within, a hallmark of this beloved dish. The heart of Mongolian beef lies in its irresistibly sweet and savory sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Stir until the sugar fully dissolves, then mix in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This mixture will thicken beautifully as it cooks, clinging perfectly to the beef and infusing every bite with incredible flavor. Cooking Mongolian beef requires quick action and high heat. First, warm 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Stir-fry the beef in small batches for about 2 to 3 minutes each, ensuring it browns beautifully. Remove the beef and set it aside to prevent it from becoming tough. Then, quickly sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of fresh grated ginger for about 30 seconds until aromatic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.